Hello, my name is Douglas Monroe, and thank you for checking out Monroe's Cocktails. Every week, I'm going to showcase a fun cocktail I enjoy making or a bottle of some good medicine that you could find at your local bar or liquor store. Today, I'm going to be making my favorite cocktail, which is the Sazerac. Now, the Sazerac hails from the Noya, is said to be the first cocktail ever created by a Creole pharmacist by the name of Antoine Peychaud. You're probably familiar with his famous bitters. Let's get started. So the drink is intended to be very cold. If you order it at a bar, you're probably gonna get it in a rocks glass. I chose a Nick and Nora because it's just a nice, classy drinking glass, and the drink is classy as well, so I thought it would be fitting. We're going to start off with a couple dashes of bitters. Half ounce of simple syrup. Two ounces of cognac. 2 ice our mixing glass. The drink is supposed to be icy cold, as cold as possible. Mixing glass is nice and frosted. Ooh, almost forgot. Now, this is an atomizer. I always have absinthe in it. That's one of the key ingredients of this drink. Yeah, I like to do this so I have the proper amount of absinthe. This is only intended to perfume the drink. Perfect. Now, and some added fragrance, a little lemon oil over the top. I like to rub the lemon around the glass, so when you hold it, you smell like a nice lemon oil on your hands. Discard the lemon. You don't want to drop it in there, unless, of course, the guest likes a slightly more bitter drink. Then I'm gonna do a nice little fan for aesthetics, to make it look more elegant. And there you have it, the classic Sazerac. Thank you so much for checking out Monroe's Cocktails. I will see you next week. And in closing, always remember, with everything you do, always put the love in it. Thank you.